Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D2 chapter number 7 exercise 7a. This lesson is equally helpful for D2, D3 students and students who are preparing for CI examination. Let's move to the question. Question says that given that the function f such that x gives us 5 minus 2x, evaluate each of the following. Number 1 is f of 1, second is f of minus 2, the third part is f of 0, and the fourth is f of 3 plus f of minus 3. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand, that what is the input, what is output, and what is the relation. If we look at the question, we can see that the relation or function of this question is f of x equals to 5 minus 2x, and inputs are either f of 1 or f of minus 2 or f of 0. These are the inputs, and whatever answer we will be getting, that will be the output. Let's move to the solution of question. The function given is f such that x gives us 5 minus 2x. Write it in this form, that f of x equals to 5 minus 2x. The first part is that we have to evaluate f of 1. So instead of the variable, the input is 1. So what I will be doing, that instead of the variable, I will be replacing x by 1 on both sides. 5 minus 2 into 1, and when I will be multiplying 2 by 1, that will give me 5 minus 2, and which is equal to 3. And this is the output for f of 1. Coming to the second part, that is f of minus 2. Again, instead of the variable, what we have to do, we have to replace x by minus 2, and my equation and function will take the form 5 minus 2, and x has the value minus 2. Now don't forget the role of integers, that when we are multiplying minus sign with minus sign, answer will be positive, and the function will take the form f of minus 2 equals to 5 plus 2 times 2 is 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So f of minus 2 equals to 9. I hope you are clear about this question. The third part of the question is f of 0. Now what we have to do, instead of x, I have to replace 0 and 5 minus 2 into 0. Whenever we are multiplying any number by 0, my answer comes 0. 5 minus 0, which will give me 5. So f of 0 equals to 5. f of 0 equals to 5. Let's move to the fourth part of the question, and fourth part of the question is f of 3 plus f of minus 3. It means, first of all, we have to evaluate this function at x equals to 3, and then we have to evaluate the function at minus 3, and finally we have to add up the values. So let's move to the solution of this part. F of 3 will give me f and 3, 5 minus 2 into 3, and this will give me 5. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 6, which is equal to minus 1. This is one of the answer. So let me block this answer. Let me block this answer. And the second is f of minus 3, and f of minus 3, instead of the variable, now what I have to do, I have to replace x by minus 3, and we know that minus multiplied by minus will become positive. Minus multiplied by minus will become positive, and question will take the form 5 plus 6, and which is equal to 11. This is the second answer. Now if we look at the main operation of the question, that is plus, that means that we have to add up these two values. So f of 3 plus f of minus 3, f minus 3 will give me minus 1 plus 11, and which is equal to 10. So f of 3 plus f of minus 3 equals to 10. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question, and the next question says, given that the function g of x equals to 7x plus 4, find the value of each of the following. First part is g of 2, then g of minus 3, g of 4 by 7, g of 0 plus g of minus 1, g of 1 by 7 minus g minus 1 by 7. Let's solve each part one by one. Very easy questions. What we have to do, we just have to replace the values of domain by different values given in the question, and we have to get the values of range. First part is the function is g of x equals to 7x plus 4. Now I have to replace g of x, and instead of the variable I will be replacing 2. Now the equation will take the form and function will take the form g of 2 equals to 7 times 2 plus 4, which is equal to 14 plus 4, which is equal to 18. Moving to the second part of the question that says g of minus 3. Now what I have to do, after writing the function, I have to replace, or the domain of this question is minus 3. X will be replaced by minus 3 plus 4, and it will give me minus 21 plus 4. Take away 4 from 21. 11 minus 4 is 7. 17 with minus sign. I hope you are clear about these two parts. Let's move to third part of the question, and third part is g of 4 by 7. So instead of the variable, we have to replace 4 by 7. 7 into 4 by 7 plus 4. This 7 can go with 7. Try to learn to make your calculation easy. 7 ones are and 7 ones are, and I will left with 1 times 4 is 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part that says that g of 0 plus g of minus 1. G of 0 will give me, g0 will give me 7 times 0 plus 4. That is, whenever I am multiplying, we are multiplying any number by 0, answer comes 0, and this answer is 4. For the completion of this part, I have to move towards this side. Now g of minus 1, g of minus 1 can be evaluated by replacing x by minus 1. This is 7 into minus 1 plus 4, which is equal to minus 7 plus 4, and which is equal to minus 3. Now we have the two answer of this expression. G of 0 is 4 and g of minus 1 is minus 3. Now if we look at the question, the main operation is plus. So what we have to do, we have to add up these two values. G of 0 plus g of minus 1. G of minus 1 will give me 4 because this is the value of g of 0, minus 3, which is equal to 1. Very easy and simple questions, and the one of the most important parts of CA examination as well. So please have a good command on these all. Let's move to the last part of the question that says g of 1 by 7 minus g of minus 1 by 7. We have to evaluate this function at the values 1 by 7 and minus 1 by 7. So 1 by 1, we are going to put x by 1 by 7 and then minus 1 by 7, and finally we have to subtract these two answers. So g of 1 by 7 will give me 7 multiplied by 1 by 7 plus 4. 7. Now this 7 can go with this 7, and I will left with 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. This value will be used in the next part, so I have to encircle it. Now g of minus 1 by 7. Now g of minus 1 by 7, again replace x with minus 1 by 7 plus 4. This 7 will be going with this 7 ones are, and I will left with minus 1 plus 4, and which is equal to 3. Now what I have to do according to the operation of the question, g of 1 over 7 minus g of minus 1 by 7 equal to 5 minus 3, and which is equal to 2. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.